So what's happening YouTube? Today we're looking at a brand new electric skateboard, which is by Backfire boards. Today we're gonna ask my friend Dave, who is an expert and actually longboards every single day. And let's see how well it does when he is using it. Now this is the first time that he's gonna use an electric skateboard. So it's gonna be fun for him as well. I'm gonna show you guys the features and we're gonna learn today if it's any good or not. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. And let's go ahead and unbox this and show you what the features are. Here we go. Now this is what you get out of the box. Fortunately for those people who just hate assembling things, this is actually really good for you because there is no assembly required. It is built already when you get the box. You do get a few accessories here like the remote, the charger, but for the most part this is just for maintenance purposes. But right off the bat you can open the box and use it. Now today we're looking at the Backfire Zealot X. The deck is made out of ABS, glass fiber, and maple composite, which has a dimension of 995 by 248 millimeters, or if you like inches, it is 39 inches by 9.8 inches. It is a 8.5 inch 50-degree reverse kingpin forge CNC. So the wheels are 96 millimeters by 55 millimeters. It has a battery of 58.8 volts, 10 amp hour, which is equivalent to 504 watt hour battery, made by Samsung. It has 27,700 cells as well. The power output for the motor as well is 1500 watts, which is a dual 6358 belt motor. Now there are two modes on this. There's the eco mode and the sport mode. The eco mode goes up to 18 kilometers and the sport mode goes to 38 kilometers. This is also an accelerator. It's not a turn on or off button, so you can accelerate to whatever speed you want during your ride. Now if you're in for a treat, you can hit that exclamation mark button there and it'll go up to 42 kilometers per hour, which is the fastest kind of ludicrous mode on a Tesla. Its remote's also pretty snappy. As you could see here, you can accelerate to whatever speed you want and you can decelerate to wherever you want. It also kind of does a brake if you let go of the accelerator. You can also flip the switch here so you can go forward or backwards. You don't have to like flip the board or anything. You can take turns as well, but I find this better if you want to go back instead, because you're just shifting your body from front to back. Super easy. The weight of the skateboard is 24.7 pounds and the max load for this skateboard is also 265 pounds. The top speed is 50 kilometers per hour or 31 miles per hour. Now if you're looking at the range of how far it can travel, it can actually go up to 28 to 34 miles or 45 to 55 kilometers. With a rider that is 80 kilograms and going at a flat road of 30 kilometers per hour. Now in pounds, that is 180 pounds weight for the rider and 18.5 miles per hour flat road. Now going up hills, you can also go up to 35% incline, which is really good when there is a little bit of a hump when you're going uphill. It is also water resistant up to IP65 and it also has a charging time of 3 hours. It also has that beautiful LED light on the bottom of it so that you are visible during the night. Has a high torque motor that can do 1500 watts, and there's 2 of them, which is awesome. And the wheelbase, the axle, which is the trucks they call it on skateboards, those are 8.5 inches forged aluminum alloy. And there you have it, everyone. That is the specs for our Backfire Zealot X. And basically this skateboard is really good because of its electric powered. Sometimes you get tired when you're riding and all you want to do is just ride, you know, like for most of us who are commuting every single day and it's summertime, you want to just be enjoying the outdoors and just cruising along. You don't want to be pushing your skateboard, and because it's gonna be hard and it's tough, right? But if you have an electric skateboard kind of like this one, and definitely recommended for people who loves to skateboard, to longboard, this is super comfortable to use. The suspension is actually really good. It kind of curves a bit towards what rough terrain you're in and also how heavy you are, so it's really good for those even heavier loads, and for just people who loves to cruise along. You don't have to pedal, or you don't have to push yourself or anything. You can just hit the acceleration button and you'll be able to accelerate without any problems whatsoever. Thanks for watching, everyone. I was able to help you. Everything will be linked down below. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them on the comments down below, so go ahead and check that out. I am also using the DJI Avata, the first version, on this video right here. If you are wondering of my gears, it'll be linked down below as well. Just ask me which ones you need and I'll go ahead and post it down there. For this shot right here, I was using the Insta360 X3. You'll have to edit this post-production. It has like a invisible stick feature, which is really cool. So it looks like the drone is following you. But that's really it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.